Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on here today because I'm going to do a tutorial. I know I haven't done anything for a long time, but I'm back here now so I can do one for you and show you what I'm going to do. And I just think I had the brightest of ideas. I don't know. I'll see. I haven't quite finished this yet, but I have to paint it. I made a tambourine. What do you reckon? And it was so easy. It's from my Gypsy book. I'm going to paint it. I'm not going to paint the silver bits, of course. But I just wanted to show you it in the raw a little bit. And then I'm going to show you how to put it together. And it is the most easiest thing. I have made, no lie, I think I've made 4 before this one. This is solid. Look at that heavy, good thing. I like it. Okay. It doesn't work, but it's still a tambourine, and I might just hang up a couple of pieces of ribbon off it. Okay, so this is what we need. I was in bed one night and I thought, now, if I got these things off the milk bottle, I could put that thing in between. So here we go. The thing in between is here. So what you need is some circles. If you don't have these bits that I've got here, I think you could use a sequin, you know. I really do. I've got these bits and they've got a shape to them, and they're very, very soft pieces. I don't know what they're made out of, but anyway, they come off real easy. If you just twist it, it comes off here. So we're going to take this off one day. Okay, Sonia, you got it yet? Got the first one off real easy. Really? Do I have to get the pliers now? Let's try another one. Let's try another one, people. Hang on. Get a hold of it. It doesn't matter if you lose the hole in it, because that's not what we're after anyway. Because I tried so many different ways to do these things, you know. I couldn't believe it. They looked all right, and I've worked on them for ages, but they just... I haven't done. They thought, oh, no, it's just not right. You've got to. So I've got 5 because I wanted an uneven number. So I don't know whether that's an issue with a tambourine or not, or how many you would have. But all I did was, well, first of all, I'll get a piece of paper, okay? But you know what? When I sat down here, I thought, gee, that will fit in there, won't it? Come on, will it fit in there or not? It won't matter if you see the blue rim because I'm going to paint it. Wow, so I don't have to cut out the paper now. But I cut out paper for this one. Okay, so this is going to go a lot quicker. Oh dear, we've got glue everywhere, but we need a bit of glue. And I was not worried one bit about how much glue I put on this, because it's only going to go on edges that are going to stick, like a really thin part. You've got to make sure that you put enough glue on. And I've got lots, haven't I? I hope that made a bit of sense. I only need to get that bit, I think, because when I do, and because of what it is, it's got these little ridges in it. I thought about cutting them out, but I don't have to do that, because when I put it into my book, it's going to be laying down flat, isn't it? Well, I only need one of them, don't I? Okay? Now, I would have been doing things, you know, like cutting the paper, waiting for it to dry. The glue would have been drying a bit, so I could be sitting here like this. I don't think that'll stick to the bottom. I hope not. I've got glue everywhere now. Usually that's not happening because it's not working properly for me, but if I could just find myself something to use to put the glue on with so I don't have it everywhere. That would be a toothpick maybe? No chance of finding anything like that, Sonia, is there? If I can just dob a bit on at every 5 intervals around here. Let me see. I'm going to have to get that off there. This has just been silly, Sonia. Let's get this off here now. Righto. Righto. Now. That'll have me. Oh, it's the tutorial that does it. Okay. Now. We'll try this now. I don't know yet what colour I'm going to be painting this. But see, you know what? I might even put a piece of paper on it because it'll cover it over a bit further. You brilliant thing. Come out. You were just falling out everywhere. Come on. Right, so there's one there. 2, 3, 4, 5. We think. Okay, so now I'm going to put it down because you want to sit it on there, so it's just, and you better just put your hand, my hand's all in the way, I'm sorry, but if your glue is a bit slow for drying, just hold on to it for a second, which when you do it, if you wanted to just wait, or go to the first, where you put the first bit of glue first. And I don't think I've got enough on this other bit here. And all I did see was sit these on here now, didn't I? So they're, oh dear, you probably can't see a thing because of my hands, but I'm going to show you. All I'm doing is putting them on, okay? That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything too, too out there. You see, put a bit more here because I don't think I put enough on that bit. Okay, I hope I'm under this camera. Probably still haven't got enough. But now we're going to put heaps of glue right around there, because I can get it off later, I hope. Because this is something that's got to be pretty sturdy to hold these bits of metal on there, because they are. Right. I'm not going to panic. I just want to get this there, so when it's drying, they're going to be still, so you'll be able to get the glue off the metal part really easy. It should come off real easy. And any of the other bits. This is probably sticking to the bottom. That's probably why it's, oh no, it's not stuck to the bottom. Okay, look at that. And that took me no time, didn't it, to make a tambourine. It took a lot of time in my head trying to get it to come out. But I wanted to put it in the Gypsy album, so I'll paint it up. I'll probably put a little something on there, and you will see it when it comes back in the book. But that is how you make a tambourine. Look at that. These are, they're supposed to be 1 inch, but I'm sure they're 1.5 inches, those things across there. And they're pieces of felt, but I'll put a piece of paper on there when that dries a bit better, so it's not playing around with it and knocking it about everywhere. I'm going to put a piece of paper on there, and then I'll cut when it's dry. I'll cut around the paper, although that could prove a little bit difficult now that I've put those on there. But maybe I could just, you know, put on another one of these, or just get another one of these and cut another piece of paper bigger than that and sit it on. Because if I stick something on there now, it's not going to be easy to cut out with a little bit sitting out there. But there's the tambourine. What do you think, eh? And it has got little gaps in one. If you have a look at them, there's gaps between there, look. And I got the gaps too. Oh dear, I think I'm clever today. Thank you everybody for watching. I really enjoyed doing that. That was so much fun. You've got no idea how much I fussed over trying to make that, because I just wanted something that's different. Now it's got a piece of this has got this piece of, wait a minute, I'll get it out now. I'm good, I got that out. The metal piece of ring on there. Okay, there you go, look at that. And you can make it with the, I don't know if other people in Australia, we get, this is off a 3-litre bottle of milk. You probably buy juices or anything like that, and they've got these things. They're very, very sturdy. I tried to make this out of toilet roll holder thing, you know, that holds your toilet roll. I tried to make it out of the thicker thing that goes in the kitchen with paper towel. Nothing worked for me. It just looked so silly looking. And I made it out of a flat piece of stuff and tried to sew these bits in. I fought with this, but by Geez, I was going to make a tambourine. I don't care what happens, I was going to make a tambourine. So there you go. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you like my tambourine, and I do like my tambourine. So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you so much for my subscribers, and I do love to read your messages, and I send